supercharger right here, man. Look, he's got a camera all up, got his flags, everything. Damn, look at the headlights in this. Look, check him out one time. You see his headlights? And he says Daytona, you see him? Yeah, a lot of people out here. Excuse me, guys. Another charger right here. Yeah. They got the doors off on this thing, man. They going Jeep style. Check them out. This is like our charger, guys. They got the doors off in this thing. It probably weighs 800 pounds less with no doors. The door's heavy as hell, and he ain't got no hood, man. Damn. Ooh, check him out, man. Check him out. Yeah, got the K in it. Ooh, sound good, man. They tearing the pavement up out here. Ooh. Let's check him out one time in this thing. Outrageous, crazy rap. You see him? We got a video of this thing doing burnouts just yesterday, the other day, man. You see him? Yeah. We're going right here. You got the Durango. Check this out. No hood. Damn, you can see the sparkles in the supercharger. You see him? Yeah. Nice. Hell yeah. I know Todd Cater's supposed to be out here. There's some Underdogs Car Club supposed to be out here, guys. Let's see if we can see him. Check this out. Man, this thing is hella bright. That green is, I don't even know what it is, like slime green. Damn, check him out, guys. He got the big supercharger up here. You see him? In a wide body. Ooh, yeah. Thing nasty, man. Nasty. Check him out, rolling. Ooh, you know them tires is hot. Man, look at them smoking still. They tearing the rubber up out there, man. Tearing it up. And believe me, guys, I'm plotting on the spot. Jeremiah Klein, check it out, man. Look at this. This is right here for you, Bug. Yeah. Bug, he loves Sonic, man. He loves Sonic the Hedgehog. He would flip to see this right now. Absolutely flip. Check it out. Man. What do you got on this side? Oh, yeah. Check him out, man. Check him out. Oh, Jeremiah, I know you love this, buddy. Dad loves you, kid. Yeah, got the hella green one right here next to it. But we go check this one out again, man. We can get back over here to the Sonic side, because I know that's the side Bug really wants to see. He wants to see the blue side. I know he does. And it's a Daytona, son. You see it? Got the Sonic wrap on it. Yeah, check him out. Super cool, guys. Super cool. So nice, guys. Too cool. It really. Super Beat 392 sitting right next to this charger I want to check out, but it's had a group of people walk up to it, walk up around it, so they're all around it, you know what I mean? So we could give them a minute. But guys, this charger right here is sick, dude. I like this thing. It caught my eye for real. This thing's stupid nice. This is scatty. I like them wheels. Them wheels kill it on the white walls like that, you see? Check him out. Yeah, he looks good on this. Got the SRT, but them lights and everything on this, it's just right, man. That thing looks good. Yeah, you see him. Yeah, super cool, guys. I don't even know what color this is. SRT Hellcat, check them out. Woo. Is this what I think it is, guys? Look at that. Is that a ghoul? It's a ghoul badge or a demon, right? Oh, sorry, guys. Yep. Ghoul badge or a demon badge? What is that? That's awesome. But dude, this car freaking nasty. It looks like it's got a hint of green in the pearl. Nice. And it's on the big wide demon wheels. You see that thing? Super nice, guys. Nasty charger. I like this. There's a gold. Can't tell. The pearl in it throws you off constantly. So nice, so cool, guys. Definitely a couple of nice chargers sitting here. Yeah, guys, check that out.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.